your search is over, because in this video I'm gonna tell you 5 S24 Ultra useful tips which no other YouTuber have told you before. So make sure you watch the video till end and give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, the first tip I'm going to show you today is called live captions. So what is live caption? It actually show up in text form whatever is being said on the screen. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate to you what is live captions. Okay, for example, I go to YouTube and open any video like this, and once I play it, you can see the sound is off and the video is being played, and I will press on the volume button and press on these three, and then I will take this option. This is the live caption option, and then you can see whatever is being said in the video, it is being written down in text form. And you can also have a little bit of setting. You can change the color of the live captions and you can move it around as like this. This is a really neat feature if you are in somewhere crowded and you don't want to turn on the sound but still want to know what is being said in the video. So this useful feature is not being talked by many YouTubers. So I thought it will be a really good idea to let all of you know that these options exist in your Samsung S24 Ultra. The second tip I'm going to talk about in this video is called live text call. So what is live text call? First, you need to open your phone app and then on these three dot lines and you press on the settings. Once you go into the setting, you will see an option called text call. Okay, you press on it. Then it have a little bit of introduction of this feature. This is a AI feature which was introduced in One UI 6.1 in S24 Ultra. So what this does is, once you receive a call and you don't want to answer the call but still want to know who that person is, then you can just press on the live text call, and then a computer will answer the call on your behalf, and then whatever you type in the live text call will be said by the computer to the other person on the call. So feature for you to know whoever is calling but you don't want to speak up to them. So it's a really neat feature as well. It is an AI feature which were introduced in One UI 6.1. The third tip I'm going to show you about is called the edge panels. Okay, this function is a really old function which was introduced way back in S7 Edge, but nowadays not many YouTubers are talking about this function, but I find it very useful. Okay, so first you need to go to the settings and you can just search for the edge panels. Okay, edge panel is really good thing. Edge panel, you can have different kind of apps in your edge panel, something like this for quick access to the apps you mostly use, or you can just add a calculator to the edge panel as well, or you can have a direct call. You can just press on the person and then the call will be directed to them. This is a really neat feature which was introduced way back by S7 Edge, but not many people are using this function. You can also hide the edge panel. You can go to the handle option and then you can see I have hidden it, but if you want to know where is it, then you can always go back to the handle and adjust the position. But I have also done the transparency to the high, so the edge panel is invisible, but if I drag it from here it will show up like this. Very neat feature. Okay, the tip number 4 I'm going to share with you guys is in the setting apps. You need to go to the setting and drag all the way down to the accessibility and then go to the vision enhancements. Okay, the tip I'm going to show you is called extra dim. What this does is it dims the display to the minimum levels, and like this it will dim it to the maximum level if you are using the phone in the dark areas, which can affect your eyes. So I think it's a really good useful feature which help you to prevent your eyes from straining. Okay guys, the last tip I'm going to show you is a really easy tip, but I think not many people know about this. If you know what is airdrops on the iPhone ecosystem. So now Android have something similar, which is called quick share. So if you press on quick share, you can choose whom you want to share your data with and or who you want to receive from. So if you click on everyone, then everyone around you, whoever is sharing the data through Bluetooth and NFC, they can send you or receive your data. Okay, this is a really good feature if you are always sharing your photos with your friends or family members and don't want the quality to be reduced. So I think this is a really good feature. Quick share, very similar to the airdrops.